For the computer science itinerary, I think the students who are interested in the computer-related technologies, they can choose this course. Because in this course, we are going to teach computer technologies such as Internet of Things and Python programming, visualization, and also data analytics. So basically in this course, we are going to cover a little bit of everything in the computer science. And it does not involve very complex theoretical modeling or computation. So the students who's interested in practical works, it could be a good choice. The objective of this itinerary basically is to give students a general concept and also some hand-on experience for computer-related technologies. So basically, the students will be able to know what computer science engineering is going to work on if they choose this as their major and they choose this career path. For the second-year students in computer science itinerary, they are first going to learn the Arduino and how to develop sensors to get the data and also send the data to a cloud or to a PC for further analysis. And they're also going to learn basic Python programming skills and also the version control with GitHub. For evaluation, each group, they are going to propose their open idea and to realize this idea with the help of the professors. And for third-year students, we are collaborating with the MIT City Science Lab. So the MIT City Science Lab researchers will define the topic, and then the students could propose their ideas within this topic based on their need and the demands, and then realize the proof of concept system. The other thing they do is related to Techno Living Lab, which is basically to think about how to improve or how to make our studying and living environment in Techno better, utilizing the computer-related technologies.